I'm not gonna listen to you guys, and if you say I must leave him, right? I'm not gonna listen to that. But do I trust him? Must I trust him? Because now I saw some things, man, on his Facebook. Because remember, I've always had access to his Facebook, but I ignored it. But now that we are now moving back together, we are doing this thing together. I saw something on Facebook, on his Facebook, that didn't sit well with me. Like he's speaking to someone that I don't like, that I know. Do I ask him about it? Do I just keep it going and just be okay, we are doing this, and I don't know. That was my
Ask
question.
him. Ask him because izohlala ilingara nje, iyohlala ihenga. It'll always be in your mind. When you see him on his phone, you're just thinking, ukhuluma, just ask him and get it over with. Akutshela amanga ugcwale and move on.
Maragere, I'll try and take photos next week of the new place that we are moving to.
Ay, suga.
Uh,
It's not advice Bunny more. Wait, before you go there. Bunny, do you love yourself?
I don't love myself. I did say.
Clearly. Babes, Ekasi is the safest place la uhlala khona compared to living with lo muntu lo.
Babes, I'm moving from Ekasi to a suburb area. That's what I was saying. So at least I think it's much safer. Yeah, I don't want to think too much about. At the end of the day, we're all gonna die. That's why I'm going with this. So that's why I said from the first time that even if you guys judge me, it's okay. Judge me. Judge me.
Hi, my friends. Uzothola umsebenzi uzozikhipha wena self Ekasi uye lapho emasabapini.
Ndi mina ndiyagoa.
Uyobhadala ngani rent lo muntu lo yase Englishini?
I don't know, like let's not go there to his finances.
You should go there.
Like no. I don't want to like disclose his finances here. That's the thing. I know his finances. Like that's what I'm saying. I don't want to disclose his
heist.
Maybe. Actually, I love danger, guys. That's one thing that you need to understand about me. I love danger. So I can see the comments here. We're all gonna die, man, at the end of the day. It was me just fainting, guys. No question. Don't need to advise, but I'm just saying.
Advice is not tulapani advice. But we know that you don't love yourself. That's already established. Great. Is not
Hindy and everyone in the panel. Di kaloku mna bengazo advise. I was supposed to tell my story.
You sana kulate.
Kulate kaloku and kaloku uthe when I late and then now accept late. Okay, fine.